Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, well, I just bought these things from Temu, and for the first time, I wanna unbox Barber stuff from Temu. So it's not gonna take a while, but the box is not that big, but this one is light and this one is very heavy. I don't know why. Okay, so I guess we're gonna unbox this one first, right? Okay, I hope I'm not gonna cut anything. Okay, this is what I bought, one of them. So it's a comb with metal thing here. Just want to try it out. Okay, and the small one, yeah, remember I bought two, one small and one bigger. So I bought this for my wife, and it's for the cupboard. So I just stick this one to the side of the cupboard, then put a wooden or something here on top so it will hold. So okay, I bought a necklace also. Wait, let me open it. Barber's necklace. A golden one. I know it with some black some. See that? So and what else? Yes, you see this? So I want you to leave your comment on the comment section below and tell me which 10 from these stuffs you like better. So okay, I bought two necklaces, one silver and one gold. See that? One silver and one gold. This one, I guess, yeah, I bought two. And this is the ceramic cutter blade. Ceramic cutter blade. So I bought two pieces. What else? Yeah. And I bought a foil shaver. Okay. I don't know. I guess it got 8,000 RPM, something like that. So inside you got charging cable, and it's not a USB Type-C. And you got a comb and the manual. So this is it. It's not a metal, it's plastic. Okay, and got LCD display here. It's already 8,500 RPM. Okay, let's make an RPM test. Okay. So, and open it. It's like this. Okay. So, and the last one for this one. Ta-da! Okay. See that? So I don't know if maybe it's a metal or plastic, and nothing much really written here. Okay, so now let's open it and see. So inside you got a manual. And under nothing. So you got some guide comps, charging cable, and it's a USB type C. Yeah. Oil and comb. Little brush. Okay. I guess it's a metal. And got clicker lever. Oh, very loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicking lever. Okay. It's not fast. Very slow. We got a feed blade. So it's very cheap. Okay. So now the last one. It's very heavy. Okay. Okay, as you all know, I was trying to unbox Temu. Temu Barber stuff, and I just received a wrong one. And right now, DPD, DPD called me, and they said they sent me a wrong package. So tomorrow they're gonna come and collect their package, and I guess they're gonna also bring my package also. Yo, and this is the DPD. You can see this is the DPD that called me. Yo, that's it, and I'm happy now, so soon I will get my package, then I will finish my unboxing of Temu. So just want to let you all know. Peace.